Hello, I am the Hose Advisor Pro. Here I will compare the ease of insertion and standardization of work for TOYOCONNECTOR and a barb fitting hose nipple. First, we will compare the ease of insertion. TOYOCONNECTOR can be inserted into the hose faster than a barb fitting hose nipple. On the other hand, much time is required to insert a barb fitting hose nipple into the hose. I will explain why it is easier to insert a TOYOCONNECTOR compared to a barb fitting hose nipple. A barb fitting hose nipple has tall barbs to make hose disconnection more difficult and is difficult to insert into the hose. With a TOYOCONNECTOR, the hose inner diameter and the hose insertion part of the TOYOCONNECTOR are the same size, allowing easy insertion and shortening the work time. Next, we will compare standardization of installation work. With a barb fitting hose nipple, variation occurs in the clamp position depending on the person. Work for tightening the hose clamp also varies, and may be too loose or too tight depending on the person. When tightening of the hose clamp is too loose, the hose will disconnect under low pressure. Conversely, if it is tightened too much, the hose may be damaged and this also can lead to trouble. A TOYOCONNECTOR is a coupling that can be installed simply by tightening the cap nut until there is no gap. Because the hose is pressed in by the sleeve, this prevents leakage and disconnection better than a hose clamp. TOYOCONNECTOR can shorten work times and allow standardization. If this video was useful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel.